Here's how we set up Unity player accounts through a multi-platform login. I also included a code for a scene change if you want it to happen after the login is successful. This is a preview. Let's get started. Before getting to the code, make sure you go to the package manager and the authorization package is installed. If you can't find it, then take this URL and click on the plus icon and then add package from git URL. Now let's go into the project settings. Make sure that the project ID is set. If you don't see the project ID in your settings, then just click on Dashboard. And you should be able to sign in into your Unity account. Then navigate to your project and copy the project ID. Now just create 2 new scripts and then check out the link in the description. Now for the last step, just copy my UI settings.